Hey guys, Steve at Carbonite Saber Systems here again. I have a custom build that I've been working on I wanted to share with you real quick. This is actually a concept for a client that is wanting to do a Beauty and the Beast theme for a cosplay. And they came to me and was basically asking me to make a gold hilt with a gold blade with red accents. So this is kind of what I came up with. It's a little different than what I usually do. I'll give you a quick breakdown of it though. The emitter and the pommel are both PVC with a red base coat followed by a black overcoat, and then I weathered it so that you could see through to the red base coat, and then I put a heavy clear coat over all of it. Came out pretty nice, I thought. The main body of the saber is actually all copper. You'll notice that it's got some custom brush work going on in here. Basically just being a little creative with the finish. And then after that it got a really nice heavy coat of clear coat also. Let's see what else. To achieve the yellow color, I actually have a red and a green diode inside of here. Set screw, of course, with brass fitting. And on the end here, take the blade out, we have the speaker lined in there. Slightly smaller speaker than what I normally use, but it came out pretty good. Still plenty loud. Red anti-vandal switch. Very bright. On the back of it, you basically just have to wiggle the end off here, and you can see that I've got a set of 4 AAA batteries. These are rechargeable, of course. If you went with disposables, it would be too much for the board. So on these exotic colors, I always recommend 4 rechargeable batteries. And then that just pops right back onto the body of the hilt here. Go ahead and pop the blade back in. Come on, focus. There you go. And pop the blade back in. And then turn off the lights and let you see what it looks like in the dark. Did some custom cutting on the emitter. I thought that was kind of a nice effect. And something that's kind of hard to see unless you're looking at it really closely, but you can actually tell the brushwork that I did through the emitter in places, which is not really what I was going for, but it's kind of a happy accident. I think it looks pretty cool that way. Very cool yellow blade. Overall, I'm really happy with this build, and I think that the client will be happy as well. Thanks for watching.